Dear students of class 12th, today we will study about solid angle. What is solid angle? We have studied about plane angle. And solid angle, the area of a spherical surface subtended subtends an angle at the center of the sphere. The angle is called the solid angle and is represented by omega. And omega equal to A upon R square, means area of the sphere divided by square of the radius. Let be a small part of area dA, and then the angle subtended by this small part of the sphere at the center of the sphere will d omega. Then d omega equal to dA upon R square. dA is a small part of the surface area of the sphere, and if we take whole surface, means find the value of angle subtended by whole surface of a sphere, then it become A, and area of whole surface is 4 pi r square. Then we can write that omega equal to A upon R square equal to 4 pi r square upon R square equal to 4 pi steradian. Steradian is the unit of solid angle, as radian is the solid unit of plane angle. Similarly, steradian is the unit of solid angle. And next topic is electric flux. The electric flux is a measure of the number of lines of force passing through some surface held in the electric field, which is denoted by phi E, and phi equal to integration of A and vector E dot d vector A, where integration of A is surface integral over the entire surface. Phi E is positive for the lines of force pointing outwards, means leaving the surface, and negative for those pointing inwards, means entering the surface. To understand the flux, electric flux, take a piece of paper and pierce as many pins, just mean pins means paper pin, which can be possible to pierce. Then the pin will represent the line of force which are entering in the surface of that paper, and the number of lines of force passing through that paper will call electric flux. So okay students, next topic will Gauss theorem, which is related to electric flux. Okay.